Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Marky, and in today's video we're going to be heading to the SpiderMan dimension, and hopefully we will get bit by a radioactive spider and become Spider-Man for ourselves, guys, because you know it really don't help putting on the Spider-Man suit unless you got bit by a radioactive spider, guys, because that's the only way you're going to be Spider-Man. But basically what you're going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 10 red wool. You want to place 2 of them just like that, guys. Then you just want to go ahead and place 1 blue wool on each side of your red wool just like that, guys. Now you just want to go ahead after you have this made and jump on up, and then you want to grab your red wool and then place 1, 2, 3 red wool on this side, 1 blue wool on top. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on down. Ow, that really hurt. Now you want to place 1, 2, 3 red wool, and then 1 blue wool on top, and then 2 red wool in the middle, guys. Now you can go ahead and jump on down. Ow, that really hurt, guys, but it wouldn't have hurt us if we would have got bit by a radioactive spider beforehand. But let's go ahead and let's light this baby up, guys, and get ready to head to the Spider-Man dimension. Wow, guys, that looks so amazing. That would make me want to sling a web right at the thumbs up button, guys. But let's go ahead and let's head on in to this dimension, guys, and hopefully, oh my god, I jumped straight through. Oh my god, I jumped straight through again. Oh my god, I can't get it, guys. Hopefully it loads up quick, guys, and whoa, that loaded up extremely quick, guys, and wow, look at this place, guys. This must be like the Spider-Man hotel or something, guys. And oh my god, up there's an airplane. Wow, that looks amazing. Oh my god, right there's Spider-Man's private jet. Let's go ahead and head on inside, guys, and see what's going on. And oh my god, guys, he is running a really fancy hotel. Like, this is really fancy. Like, he got cakes and everything, guys. Like, this is a hotel you can be proud of. That's for sure. Let me go ahead and put my pig on in here. Enjoy those cakes. But you know what? I don't want to watch him eat them, because he's probably going to eat them all, and he's probably going to eat them pretty fast, guys. But can I get a room? Yeah, for 1 week? Yeah, all right, thank you. Let's go ahead and head on up, guys. She said that we can have a room, but of course, we're going to look at all the rooms. So let's go ahead and see what our room looks like. This would actually been our room, I believe, guys. So let's go ahead and head on inside. Which one should we head through? Let's head through this one. And oh my god, guys, whoa, this is amazing. Wow, right here's the bathroom. You can go ahead and take a shower, scrub your cheeks in the shower, and then you can go ahead and hop on out, guys. And I don't think you're going to be using the toilet because there's a bunch of toilet paper in there, guys. Like, you can't even see any water. Let's go ahead and see what's inside this chest. What? There's a trident, and there's also a chicken. Cooked chicken, though, so Spider-Man knows what the deal is, guys. And let's go ahead and check inside this chest and see what's in her, guys. Spider-Man left his suit behind. Oh my god, guys, I cannot believe we just found Spidey's suit. Wow, that is amazing. And we also found his web shooter, and we also found his webs. Let me go ahead and put on the Spider-Man suit, guys. I'm gonna look totally amazing. Wow, guys, whoa, his suit looks absolutely amazing. It fits me perfectly. That's amazing, guys. That is amazing that it fits me perfectly, because I have kind of been putting on the weight lately. But whoa, look how far that web slung out, guys. And wow, this is an amazing bedroom as well, guys. This must be Spider-Man's bedroom, and that must be his toilet, and that must be his tub, guys. And wow, he has an absolutely amazing bedroom, and this must be his closet. And he must have took all of his other Spider-Man outfits, guys. Let's go ahead and head on up the staircase, guys, and see what's in these rooms. Oh my gosh, if we can make it into these rooms, guys. And this looks exactly like the downstairs room. How about this one? Oh my god, it's an exact copy. They actually copied the downstairs bedrooms. Let's go ahead and see what's up here at the top. And oh my god, this is the VIP room, and oh my god, it's Carnage. Take that right to the face, Carnage. Take that. Oh my god, he poisoned me. Oh my god, he poisoned me, guys. And whoa, why do they have such a nice room? Why does the bad guys get the nice room? Boom, take that. Oh my god, they're coming at me, guys. They're coming at me, and there's a lot of them. Oh my god, I don't even know who those 2 guys were. And oh my god, right there's Venom. Take that, Venom. Oh my god, he's like half Venom, and he's like, oh my god, he's half killer. He's half Venom, and he's half killer. That's what he is, guys. Wow, I cannot believe those guys killed me. Can you guys believe that? I don't even know who that guy is. He's just like some kind of thug or something, guys. But you know what? I still am Spider-Man, so I'm going to blow all those bad guys out with my TNT. Oh my god, I'm flying up into the air. Whoa, I glitched. Oh my god, I totally glitched. I'm glitching in the wall, and oh my gosh. Whoa, guys, what happened? It was like I glitched in the wall, and then like everything just disappeared all of a sudden. Even the bad guys, all the bad guys got killed. That's pretty funny, guys. We killed all the bad guys. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing Spider-Man dimension down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.